Well, divorce is a difficult time of change, but it can also be the biggest financial event of your life. Attorney Jonathan Marks with the Marks Law Firm is joining us this morning to talk about some of the top financial pitfalls. Good morning, Jonathan.
Good morning, Margie.
So the first one, and I'm just guessing you likely hear from a lot of your clients, is, well, so-and-so said in their divorce that this happened. But you say relying on advice from your family and friends could be very misguided.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. The first thing that you're going to hear is whatever it is you're asking them to tell you. I mean, the reality is your family and friends aren't going to get the full financial picture. They're not going to know everything that's going on within your particular marriage situation. And so you don't want to rely upon them for purposes of telling them what you should do. You do want to rely upon them for purposes of letting you know how you can be there for them in regards to emotional support and letting you vent and being a good sounding board. But ultimately, you want to take the financial advice from your attorney or your financial advisor when you're making important decisions at the end of the divorce.
Another huge pitfall is not keeping records. Why is this one so critical, Jonathan?
Yeah, I mean, it's certainly important to remember that the first three rules of going through a divorce is you need to document. And so when you say that to yourself over and over again, it really means that you need to make sure that you've gathered all the important documents that are going to be needed to make these important financial decisions. So ensuring that you've got paycheck stubs, you've got all of the mortgage information, you've got tax records, basically anything that you're going to need so that when you go and you talk to your lawyer, your mortgage lender, your CPA, whomever it's going to be that's going to assist you through this process, that you have all the information that's necessary.
There's a lot of talk about maintaining the same lifestyle after divorce, but that's not always possible. So you advise people to come to grips with their financial reality. What do you mean by that?
Yeah, I think that, it's a very difficult situation to come to grips with the reality of you're going from one household that's now going to two. And when you go to two, everything doubles. So in the reality, the vast majority of cases aren't going to be able to support the same lifestyle in two households. And the earlier that you understand those financial terms when you go into the situation, the better off you're going to be, because you're going to make smarter decisions along those, times that you're having to make important decisions regarding support or any other financial matter, because you're going to be prepared mentally for that decision.
Yeah, and that leads us right down this road. And perhaps the most difficult, don't keep a house you can't afford.
Yeah, I mean, every day someone will say that they need to maintain the house because it's what gives them stability or it gives the kids stability. And although that is probably true, at the end of the day, you've got to look at the situation to determine if you really can afford to keep the house. If at the end of the day, you can't, you need to come to grips with that decision and start to look at what's going to be in the best interest of you and your children moving forward, so that you can stay potentially in the same school district, or you can stay as close as you can within those things that maintain your status quo today before you enter into the divorce situation.
We have time for one more pitfall, not considering the cost and benefit analysis of your decision. What does that mean?
So that really goes into the way that you maintain yourself throughout the divorce process. So, you need to really look at what is the cost of you continuing to fight the situation as opposed to you looking into reaching a settlement. You can't use the divorce process to simply try and punish your spouse. Whatever the emotional reasons are that you want to do that, at the end of the day, it's just going to cost you more money. And that money is simply taking it away from the financial pot that's going to be necessary to support you and your children. And at the end of the day, that's not helping anybody. And so you just need to keep that in mind as you're going through the process and make sure that you're making smart financial decisions that'll help you at the end of the case.
All right, Attorney Jonathan Marks, appreciate your time this morning.